Hi guys, thank you for always stay tuned with my channel. Today I want to show you how to make Christmas leaf like this. You can make it as applique for the headband or also for the high tie or hairpin. This is very easy and perfect for beginner. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and let us start it. You need a yarn, green yarn like this. I use a small yarn and also I use hook with size 6 here, silver hook. This one, 6 size of silver hook. And also I need visor and then needle like this. And then I need glue here. And one important thing, I need pom-pom here, 3 pom-pom. If you don't like use 3 pom-pom, you can make it from the crochet too. Make slip stitch and 12 chain. This make 12 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Skip one, make slip stitch. So I will put marker here in this one, and then make single crochet to the next stitch. Make single crochet again to the next stitch, and now make half double crochet to the next stitch. Make 1 double crochet to the next stitch. Okay, in the next stitch, make 2 double crochet here. 1, 2. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Okay, in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet. Okay, in the next stitch, 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet again. In the last one, make slip stitch here. Okay, now turn your work like this. Make 1 single crochet here, and then to the next, make 1 single crochet. Now make 1 half double crochet, and then in the next stitch, make 1 double crochet here. Now move to the next here, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, move to the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Okay, now move to the next, make 1 half double crochet. Then to the next stitch here, make single crochet, and then to the next stitch, make single crochet again. In the last stitch here, same with marker, make slip stitch. 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in the same stitch here, make slip stitch. Okay, now make 2 slip stitch here. 1, move to the next, 2, make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and then move to the next slip stitch. And now make 2, 3, make 3 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Make 3 chain again, 1, 2, 3, and then make 3 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Here, you need to make 2 slip stitch here. 1, and make slip stitch in here. 2. Now make 3 chain, and then make 2 slip stitch. 1, 2. Now make 3 chain, okay, and then make 3 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Make 3 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Make 3 chain, and then make 2 per slip stitch, 1, 2, and then here add 1 slip stitch in here near to the, this is the last stitch, make slip stitch. Now make slip stitch to the first corner like this. Okay, now add 12 chain. Okay, now slip stitch in the first, make single crochet in here after slip stitch, and then single crochet again, and to the next make half double crochet like this, and then make 1 half double crochet to the next stitch, Okay, now into the next stitch, make 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Now move to the next, 1 double crochet, 1. Move to the next, 1/2 double crochet, move to the next, single crochet here, and the last one, make single crochet, and now this one, make slip stitch but join to this one. Okay, now move to another side here like this. So turn your work this. After you turn your work in here, this one, the first stitch, make single crochet, this, and then to the next, make single crochet again, move to the next, make half double crochet, this one, move to the next, 1 double crochet, move to the next one, make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and then move to the next, 1 double crochet, move to the next, half double crochet, and then here make single crochet, move to the next again, single crochet, and the last one make slip stitch here. Now add 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, and then make slip stitch in the same stitch here, and now make 2 slip stitch for the next 2 stitch, 1 2, and then make 3 chain, 1 2 3, slip stitch to the next, here, make another 2 slip stitch again, 2 3, make 3 chain, 1 2 3, slip stitch to the next, 1 2 3, then make 3 chain, 1 2 3, slip stitch to the next, 1 2 here. Okay, and now turn your work to the side, this one, I will make slip stitch 2, and then add 1 small slip stitch here, so you should have 4 slip stitch after this one. Now add 3 chain, 1 2 3, okay, make 3 slip stitch after this, 1 2 3, make 3 chain, next slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, and then add 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Okay, make 2 slip stitch here, 1, 2, and then in here add 1 small slip stitch, 3. Now cut this remind yarn and then hide it. This is the look of Christmas leaf. Now I will join the pom-pom to here using glue. Here the look of my Christmas leaf. I hope this tutorial useful for you. If you like it, just click comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.